Hi guys, Nathan here. In this video I'm just going to give you a quick unboxing of the TTArtisan 28mm F5.6 lens. It's a new release from TTArtisan, obviously based on the Leica 28mm F5.6 equivalent. TTArtisan were kind enough to send me a unit for review. Even though they've sent it to me, it will be an honest review, and I'll be testing it on my Leica M4 and possibly my Leica M5. Obviously, for those of you that watch, you'll realise that my Leica M240 was stolen earlier this year, so I can't test it on digital at the moment, so we'll be using it on film, going back to the old school days. So that is a brief introduction. Now let's get in the unboxing of this lovely 28mm f5.6 lens from TTArtisan. So here is the TTArtisan 28mm f5.6 lens, how you'll receive it in the typical clamshell design box. Here we have gold writing and obviously a gold diagram of the lens construction. So opening up the box, first off we're greeted with a nice metal tab, just to remind you that it's the 28mm f5.6. Now this is the final version that you will receive if you order one. There are a few other YouTubers that got early versions that didn't actually come with a hood, which were obviously demo lenses. However, this is the final version that you will receive. As with all TTArtisan lenses, there's a screwdriver here, and there is a focus chart so that you can actually micro adjust the lens. So if it's not focusing correctly, it can be micro adjusted. However, with a lens that is a 28mm wide with f5.6, the depth of field is going to be so great that I don't anticipate there being any problems with this lens. So let's take the lens out now then. So as you'll see, it's a full metal construction, lovely engraved lens cap, again metal. It's the push-on type. That's my only issue, is that it isn't a tight fit and that could easily be lost. Again, the body cap is, or the mount cap is again metal, which is a nice touch. And you'll see a brass lens barrel there at the rear. So this lens, like I said earlier, starts at f5.6 and goes through to f22. Metal focus tab here, which has an infinity lock. So when it's at the infinity position, it's locked. You just need to push on the tab and then that will release that for you. It's a strange filter size. It's a 37mm filter thread, so you're not going to be able to use your usual 39mm Leica filters on it. You've got your depth of field scale here around the base, and if we look at the focus in scale, you can go from 1 meter to infinity. So let's mount that now to my Leica M4. This is the Minolta 28mm, if anyone's interested. So that is it, mounted to a Leica M4. Very tiny lens, very small, compact. I mean, you could easily put this whole setup as it is like this in your pocket. Now with these lenses that are wide and obviously so compact, it is easy when you're taking a picture to get your finger within the frame. So the inclusion of a lens hood to prevent that, and also obviously to prevent flare, is a good addition. This is full metal construction, and it has the screw type clamp fitting. So let's put that onto here now. Line it up. A couple of turns on the screw, and that is secure now to the lens. Again, still a compact lens, nice square hood, full metal, and this will, obviously when you're using it, this will prevent your fingers from going in front of the glass and getting into the frame. Now my intentions are to run a roll of film through my Leica M4, and again I'll come back with a review of the image quality. For those of you that do follow my channel, you will know that I used to have a Leica M240, however that was stolen, so I'm back to the old film. So thanks for watching that quick unboxing and initial thoughts on the TTArtisan 28mm F5.6 lens. Please obviously subscribe to the channel for upcoming videos where I'll be going over the image quality of this lens using film, and if I manage to get hold of another digital Leica, then we'll be doing a review on a digital Leica as well. Sorry I haven't been on here for a while, but when my M240 was stolen, it sort of put a downer on things, and life sort of moved on and it's been a bit busy. So I'm back, and hopefully I get some videos out shortly on reviewing this lens. Thanks for watching. My name's Nathan. Until next time, see you later.